And within 10 minutes of meeting him, I knew that he was only about making sure I succeeded, because he knew if I succeeded, the show succeeded.
I plug Akshay between his eyes with a chicken bone. And I can literally like see that going like in slow motion, like full Matrix style. I'm like, oh god, he's gonna get plugged. Okay, yeah, he got plugged. Yeah.
But if you're not actually good at what you do, you're not an actor today. This is a very different time today. It does not matter what your following is, and
Well, welcome to Telechakkar, and I am very delighted to have a conversation with the star cast of Inside Edge 3.
Hi Arshi.
Hi Arshi.
Please हमें और बताइए that since first season and the second season is loved by the audience, everyone is loving it, and the third season everyone was waiting for it. तो क्या नया audience देखने वाली है इस season से?
बहुत सारी ऑडियंस ने तो देख लिया होगा, और कुछ क्योंकि बिंज वर्दी बनाते हैं कंटेंट Amazon वाले, so you keep watching one after another. बट नया कुछ नहीं, पावर टसल है, इंडिया पाक टेस्ट क्रिकेट सीरीज है, कुछ फिक्शनल चीजें हैं जैसे कि फीमेल प्राइम मिनिस्टर वगैरह, और राइवलरी है बिटवीन वायु एंड रोहित. गाइस प्लीज feel free to add to whatever I've missed.
I feel a really cool thing about this season, of course, barring like Test cricket, which is fantastic, because the entire visual landscape of the show kind of changed. But this season, we are going backwards and forwards simultaneously, So, so because
like
you understand where these guys have been, you understand why they're doing and behaving in a certain way in the present, Because in season 1, when you met all these guys, all the main characters, they were very absolute in nature. That there was a suspension of disbelief कि हाँ, वायु ऐसा है, मंत्रा ऐसी है, रोहिणी ऐसी है, Zarina ऐसा है, and you had to like kind of just go with it. But this time you understand. And I feel because it's longer format storytelling, so it gave us a lot more room to kind of delve into their past. I thought that was very fascinating, and I think everyone felt that we had shown a lot of match fixing and spot fixing and doping and stuff, and all this time we really wanted to kind of like take things to another level, So like, I mean, just the topics that have been touched upon in season 3 transcend what just the sport is about. It's not just about cricket anymore, And I feel that's full credit to the writers and to Karan for that. Akshay and Akshay is on the show, which is awesome.
That's right.
Let's just leave it at that. In a very interesting and very brave role, which he has played amazingly.
Yes, Akshay, please throw some light on your character as well.
He can't light. Limited light.
Can't I? The show is out. I feel like I can put some light on it now.
You can come out of the closet. You can say everything now. Just speak candidly.
I don't know how many spoilers, but I don't know. I don't know the answer.
Okay, so let's just keep it in between. Basically, my character is Rohit Shanbhag. I am the only one that will not have a backstory because you meet me for the first time. As Tanuj had said earlier, this is the Christopher Nolan tenet of Inside Edge seasons, because it goes forward and backwards in time. But I'm only going forwards in time in this one. I have a great captaincy rivalry going with Tanuj Hirwani's character Vayu Raghavan, and there are. We deal with homosexuality in sports through my character, and that's a very relevant topic, a very important topic, and I feel almost kind of blessed to be able to represent that kind of a thing, because while it, Tanuj is being kind by saying it's a brave role, I think it's a very important role to play, and I'm very glad that it came to me.
Well, I think Tanuj in our interview once said that like Tanuj and Akshay has this what do you call unsaid pact that साल में एक series साथ में करना ही है.
Yeah.
I mean, it just kind of has.
Yeah.
Oh God.
Yeah. Nice, Arshi. I'm glad you read that. But bilkul, expect a show from us once a year.
Yeah.
Hopefully. I don't know. I'm like, look, nothing. कुछ actor के हाथ में कुछ नहीं होता है. Hopefully, I would love to work with.
No. We have a lot of fun together, but the weird thing is, even though our other show came out first, we actually met on the sets of Inside Edge, and it was for me. It was love at first sight. I saw him through the net at the training camp, and I'm like, yeah, that's the boy.
That's the guy. That's the guy. Yeah.
And you know, see, I've made some wonderful friends along this journey in the last few seasons of this show and all. But like, I think what really sets Akshay and my equation apart is that we don't take anything the other person says seriously. And 5 seconds later, we can have a very intense, serious conversation. So that switch, the back and forth is really cool. You know, like, I mean, like sometimes when people look at us on set, they're like, yeah, we can't have them on the same set at the same time because it's not going to be a very productive day. But then we somehow manage to prove them wrong and bring it. Yeah, it's
That's
a lot
right.
of fun. Yeah,
it's a lot of fun. Yeah, you know, I also so Tanuj has been on the show for 2 seasons, and you know, his character is very loved. He's a great batsman. He owns the cricket space of this show. So I knew that coming into the 3rd season. And you know, any actor could have a hang up, कि ये कौन आया है, क्या करने आया है, you know, it's always there, but I'll always appreciate that, you know, Tanuj didn't know who I was, I didn't know who he was, but he never made me feel that for a second. All he wanted was for me to succeed. And he knew कि मैंने कभी cricket खेला नहीं था. So he like even was, you know, helping there as opposed to being like, you cast a guy that doesn't want to play cricket. You know, there were all these things that I was immediately, as he said, love at first sight, because there were these certain things that, you know, I could read. You know, actors are perceptive people. That's what we do for a living. You can very easily read people. And within 10 minutes of meeting him, I knew that he was only about making sure I succeeded, because he knew if I succeeded, the show succeeded.
One memorable moment. I know there must be a lot of moments, but then one memorable moment that you guys shared on the Inside Edge 3rd season.
I don't think we should be sharing it.
I mean, there's so many of them, but I'll speak about one. So there's a scene where it's an insane scene which apparently happened in real life with a couple of Ranchi teams, where the two teams get into a food fight, right? And we're going like we are going at each other, and all of a sudden, I plug Akshay between his eyes with a chicken bone. And I can literally like see that going like in slow motion, like full Matrix style. I'm like, oh god, he's gonna get plugged. Okay, yeah, he got plugged, yeah. But he was very, very sporting about the whole thing.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was
like
yeah.
And in the speed and hadbadahat of the whole thing, I didn't even know कि कहाँ से आया है वो. But when I looked up, I saw a very guilty expression 15 feet across the room. So I was like, you did it.
Yeah.
But yeah, I had a nice mark here for like at least 5 days.
Yeah. And what else, Akshay? We had some. Sorry, no.
In that cricket stuff,
he almost died on the first day of his shoot.
I almost died on the first day of my cricket shoot because
which was literally the first day of the show.
Yeah, it was this like 7-foot guy named Babar in the show. And he bowled at I think 140 or 130 kilometers an hour, like a beautiful piece of bowling he had handed over to me. And it came and whipped right next to my head, and I'm not an expert batsman or anything by any means. So luckily I had the, I don't know, maybe I was in character or whatever you say, but I had the foresight to duck it. So the ball went across my face.
Like a butterfly sting,
and I got saved. I was like Muhammad Ali in that moment. Just like singing. And I got saved, yaar. Arshi, I would not be here on your show today to talk to you because that was so close. I can't even.
But you know, he made like full mamu out of you that day, because I remember I was at the other end and he told you he's going to pitch the ball aage. And you're like, हाँ ठीक है भाई. And then he bowled a freaking bouncer. So he literally caught you off guard.
I need to know whether he did that on purpose or not.
Yeah.
Richa, please share your memorable moment with Tanuj and Akshay.
I've had moments with each of them actually. With Tanuj, I guess the most memorable shoot was only at the end of season 1 when Zarina still has a lot of morals and she takes him to the stadium.
Yeah.
Where, she kind of declares this future is yours and I'm going to be the team owner, etc. With Akshay, unfortunately, I have no memorable moments on this shoot because I didn't shoot with him except for one group shot. Yes. But I have other memories with him from other shoots.
Well, this question is to all three of you. आप लोगों को you have to just name a character or maybe that character personifies their, amplifies their personality in such way that you you want that character to maybe Tanuj to play or maybe Akshay to play, and then maybe Akshay wants Richa or Tanuj to play that one character in near future.
So I have to say what I want Richa or Tanuj to play,
Yeah,
right?
right.
Yeah, got it. Um,
Ooh.
So actually, I've got one for the both of them that I think like has not really fully been captured. I mean, maybe Richa's done something with in Fukre that is similar, but not that character. I think they both are exceptionally funny people. Like they are really funny people. Like they're genuinely funny. उनके हरकतें funny होती हैं. Like they're not even trying to be funny. There's certain body language that Richa has and certain gestures she does, which are so silly and endearing and goofy and lovable. But I feel like that part of her has not been tapped. You know, it's always these bold characters, which she's fantastic at. But there's a lot of vulnerability in her, and I think she'd be really with a lot of great comic timing.
Well, Tanuj, I would like to know your reaction on
I would like Richa to play a character like Jennifer Lawrence did in Silver Linings Playbook. I think she would be freaking fantastic in that because she's a very versatile performer, and that role really requires a very wide gamut of emotions to be shown in a very concise manner. I think like you'd like really ace it out of the park. And for Akshay, again, he's a really funny guy, and you know, for better or worse, I think we all kind of get a lot more intense and dramatic roles, especially on the web space these days. But I feel like if you just let him like do his thing, maybe play something like James Franco from Pineapple Express or something, I think he'd absolutely like crush it in that. So yeah,
I like it.
Yeah.
I have very specific characters for both of them. If I was to cast them against type,
Yeah.
I would like to see Tanuj play the role of a very calm, very still, meditating yoga master. And
Okay.
I would like to see Akshay play a malnourished, impoverished construction worker.
I want that part.
You gotta
I want
Christian
it.
Bale that shit, bro.
I want that part.
Well, are you guys in real life a person who actually feels social media is very important? Because many people has been coming up, actors are coming up with the reality that a lot more followers on social media, a lot more being active, and traffic on social media gets you more offers in the movies or series like that. So
Can I? I feel like sorry. I want to answer this because
Yeah.
I feel like this is a question I've been getting lately, and I feel like I've been giving the wrong answer. So I want to use your platform to give the right answer. What I actually earlier I kept saying yes. I kept saying yeah, you're right. I've been hearing a lot of this and all that. But then over the last couple of days, because I've been asked that question so many times, I thought I should correct my stance on it. I actually feel fine. You will get offers. But if you're not actually talented, आपको कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. एक आध प्रोजेक्ट मिल जाएगा फॉलोइंग के खातिर, उसके नाम पे कुछ तो मिल जाएगा, just like anything else. But to sustain in this industry, it has to be a consistent amount of good
and
work
hard work. Yeah.
and hard work. I've been one of the worst social media, in terms of my presence on social media. I think I'm very weak.
But
I've
he's
only
getting better
improved-
now.
I'm getting better. I'm really improving, and I'm getting better because it's a way to interact and a way to be out there. And I want to correct that I'm not now doing it because अब मुझे आज ज़्यादा अच्छे offers मिलेंगे. उसमें कुछ सच्चाई नहीं है. शायद आपको एक आध project मिल गया उसके नाम पे. But if you're not actually good at what you do, you're not an actor today. This is a very different time today. It does not matter what your following is, and I'm sure Nawazuddin Siddiqui, I'm not sure. I mean, he's one of the best actors in our country. I don't think he has the highest Instagram following in the country. I don't think that thing correlates. So talent goes a long way, and I want to correct because I've been saying the wrong thing, and I want to say it on Tally Chakar now.
lastly, I want to know that what takeaway should audience expect from the season 3 of Inside Edge?
The beauty of Zarina Malik. The power and beauty of Zarina.
You're very kind. No, just entertainment. It's a purely entertaining show.
Yeah.
It has no basis in reality. although that's a takeoff point. And there's a lot of cricket, there's a lot of rivalry, a lot of some Bollywood drama, some political drama. So it's full of thrill, and it's just an entertaining show.
Yeah.
Well, that was a really, really good conversation with you. I would like to connect with each one of you again, and thanks for cooperating and giving me your time.
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Tellychucker's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.